Okay, well, citrus green. Okay. All right. It's already been mixed with water, so yeah. So, it's on. Let's go and clean the dog kennel with some Oahu citrus green. And this is what I've been using to clean in here, and it's safe. As you can see right here, see how dirty the concrete is. So I'll just spray some of this Oahu citrus green. Oh. Yep. See? Okay. Yes, clean this too. Yep. Yep. Okay, let it sit for a few seconds. All right, a few second guy. All right, the few second cleaner. Yeah, the few second cleaner. All right, let it sit for a few seconds. Okay, you see it's saturated with Oahu citrus green. All right. Oop, all right, that means I gotta clean that too.